Hi viewers, I am Raji Ramakrishnan. Today I am going to make a sandwich masala, Bombay roadside recipe it is. We love the sandwiches, especially from the roadside. It's yummy. Of course you can make it at home also. And it's the all-time favorite of my children. Now let us see what are the ingredients required for this. I've taken around 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon cloves, 1 tablespoon black pepper corns, 4 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 star anise, 4 teaspoon dried mango powder, 4 tablespoon black salt, 2 tablespoon rock salt, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Now we'll dry roast all these items. The 5 items we will dry roast. The pan is hot. We put everything together. Dry roast the same till you get a nice aroma from this. Now switch off the gas. And allow to cool. And blend this in the mixer. Then afterwards put all these powdered items in it and blend once again. Your sandwich masala will be ready. I have transferred it into the mixer pot. Now I will ground this now. We will put the powders, that is the rock salt, black salt, cinnamon powder, dry mango powder. Now we will grind this once again. Our sandwich masala is ready here. We can transfer this into a jar and use as and when required. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Press the bell button so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Also visit blog rasavinswai.blogspot.in. Sandwich masala. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.